Who reads anymore?
The global book market is worth $150 billion globally.
How do you take a page out of that book?
With Kim and Garrett made it.
What is up? Welcome back. We know you love to do it, build it, and make it.
And we're here to help you sell it.
The book industry is huge, but it's not all about the books. It's really about all of the accessories that go along with the total package.
Who doesn't love walking around Barnes & Noble and looking at not just the books, but all the accessories that go along with it? Things like pens, journals, sticky notes, bookmarks. There's so many fun things to look at when you're at Barnes & Noble.
Today we're showing you one laser money-making niche you probably haven't paid enough attention to.
The book lover and journaling niche. We made 6 products. We're going to show you how much they cost, how fast we can make them, how much we'd sell them for, and who to market them to.
Everything we're making today came out of a June Laser Loot Box. The Laser Loot Box is a monthly subscription box for laser owners who want to try out a new niche, some new high-end materials, or some new high-end laser blanks.
Book lover product number 1, the Refillable Leatherette Journal. Now, this is the anchor product for the entire niche. Everybody needs a journal. Everyone can use a journal. It's a great gifting item. Now, we got these from Lancaster Laser Supply. They were $8.95 each. We'll sell them anywhere from $18 to $25 personalized. And these are great for teacher gifts, grad gifts, corporate merchandise, swag for conferences, church groups. There's so many different ways that you can sell this product. Now, this is only going to take about 3 minutes to engrave, so there's not a whole lot of extra effort that you're putting into for that kind of markup.
Book lover product number 2, the pen sleeve. Now, the pen sleeve doesn't give main character energy like the journal did. This is more like a sidekick. Think of this as like your Robin to the Batman, Chewbacca to Han Solo, or that cat to Hong Kong Phooey. I don't remember his name. You can pick these up for like $3.50. These sell easy for $10 to $12. These take seconds to engrave. Even inside this 40-watt diode, they still take about 1 minute, depending on how big your design is. And I wouldn't get crazy with the design. Again, this is a sidekick item. Book lover product number 3, personalized laser-engraved LED light-up pens. So this isn't just an engraved bamboo pen. This actually has some flair to it. It pops when you light it. You can pick these up for about $1.69. You can easily sell these all day for $5 to $10. Now, these aren't just side character. These could be main character energy right here. These are great for corporate gifts. People love to give out pens during conferences. So hit up giveaways, conferences. They also make a great addition to or an upsell to that pen sleeve and the journal. They take seconds. Like they each take literally like 10 to 15 seconds. And when I put them in here inside the jig, I could easily get 25 done in about 10 minutes.
Book lover item number 4, a magnetic bookmark. Now, these are great because they're made of leather. They have that premium feel to them. These are going to be super quick to engrave because you don't have a whole lot of room to engrave on them. So you're going to put things like a nice monogram or an icon. Maybe it's a puppy pack. You're going to have a paw, a bone, something cute on there, butterflies, something like that. So these are great little giftable items to sell in a set. You can get them for $2.50 each and sell them in a set of 3 for something like $15 to $20 each. And this is where packaging will come into play for these items so people can really see how you're going to use them. You want to make sure they're closed and over a piece of paper so you could tell that they're a nice magnetic bookmark. Now, these are perfect for craft shows. These are gift items. There's so many different places you can market these. Again, teachers, churches, clubs, book clubs, anywhere you can sell a bookmark to. Now, these are going to engrave super fast, seconds to engrave. You're going to put it in here, line it up with your camera, and be done with it.
Book lover product number 5, the wooden engraved bookmark. Now, these are great because they're a standalone or they go great with a buddy. I also love them because they're great for something that you can batch out. I like this Ink Effects faux birch because I can engrave it and then easily just wipe it off. So a 12 by 20 of this is about $12. I can easily fit 24 bookmarks on a sheet. So that makes each one about 50 cents. Add a tassel. I think the cat tassel costs about 10 cents. So we're looking at 60 cents total, and you can easily sell these for like $10 to $12. For marketing on these,
Yeah, what's important on these is the branding and the packaging. You really want to show that this has more perceived value than what it is standalone. You add a little cardstock card on this, engrave it with your brand on it or information about the product itself. And then these can have so many different types of things. Took it right out of your hand. So many different types of things like sassy sayings, biblical sayings, lots of different things that you can put on these. You can make them monograms. There's so many different ways to sell these.
super personal. You can make them super personal.
Book lover product number 6, the leatherette notepad holder. Now, this is going to cost you $4.99, and you can sell these for $12 to $15. These take you from book lover straight to desk and office. These are great for teachers, coaches, realtors. Pair them with a journal or a pen, and you've got yourself a full desk set. And they're beautiful when they're engraved because it goes from this tan leatherette to this gold foil look to it, and it engraves in seconds.
Now here's where this niche gets good. It's not about selling a single product.
It's about bundling them together and creating a product offer. You want to offer maybe a teacher appreciation set where you're going to bundle the journal, the pen sleeve, the bookmark, and sell it anywhere from $30 to $45.
Or you get the business bundle, put a couple of things together like the pen, the journal, maybe the sticky notepad, sell it as a new hire, retire, or client gifts.
And one of my favorites is a niche within a niche, and these are the book series sets. Sell all of these items together, but engraved with the same theme on it, like your favorite book series. I'm a big fan of the Outlander series, so put the Outlander sayings on there. Think Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, or how about the new series, A Court of Thorns and Roses? Put that snake on one of these bookmarks or on the pen sleeve.
Now, if you don't know how to market your product, we do have a full social media new product posting schedule available in our members area. But here's how I would do it. I would take a couple of good shots or maybe a couple of videos of my product. I would post them on my Facebook business page, sign out of my business page, sign back in as my personal page, head over to the Outlander fans Facebook group and post my new Outlander merch, as myself. Oh, look at this cute little thing that I found. Outlander in the Outlander group. That's how I would do my marketing.
We have a full marketing life cycle for a product and the cheat sheet over at kngmakeit.com in our members area.
Tell us in a comment below what product you plan on making first. Is it the journal? Those journals look good. Is it the bookmark? Is it the wooden bookmark? The pen? I love the pens.
Every item that you see that we made today came from our June laser loot box. And that's exactly why we built the laser loot box. It's not a bunch of random blanks. Each month is a product niche that you can test. And if you want the next laser loot box mission, sign up at laserlootbox.com and subscribe before the monthly cutoff.
Now, if you did miss the cutoff, we do have a limited supply of one-time mission boxes. So head on over and grab one of those if you want. Otherwise, I am about out of time. I gotta go engrave some more book lover things. I gotta finish up a package that I'm making for Kim. And a big thanks to the Make It Mafia. We love you guys. That is the best member section over there. The member section includes extra files, extra content, extra love, extra support. It is just the best.
I just saw one of our members post today. Someone was feeling a little down, thinking they might give up on their business. And about 10 comments after that said, you've got the Make It Mafia behind you. So come join the family.
It's all about the family.